Hi, I'm Antony Kirrane. I am the convener of CEN TC52WG3 and I look after the EN 71 Part 1 standard on the safety of toys, the physical and mechanical properties. I remember not long after I started in standardisation, there was dare I say, a crisis in the toy industry regarding the safety of magnets. Strong magnets were causing serious injuries for children. It was internal organ injuries, and we needed to react very quickly. And we did it on a global basis, which is unusual for the safety of toys because there are different standards all around the world. But there was a collaborative effort in Europe and everywhere else to develop a requirement very quickly to protect children. And it was at that point when I thought, yeah, we're doing something good here. We're doing something protective. EN 71 Part 1 actually has its origins as a British standard since the late 1960s. I'm just the latest custodian of it. Requirements that we've developed in my time include things like sound pressure levels, magnets we've mentioned. We're looking at strangulation issues, and always it's a balancing act between the needs of following the legal requirements. We are a harmonised standard in Europe and the UK. We're a designated standard. And we have to balance the needs of the manufacturers, and most critically, we've got to keep children safe. It's always hard to say that something you've written on a piece of paper has had a direct impact in real life, but I don't think I'm overstating it to say we've probably saved some lives somewhere along the lines. You know, the requirements deal with things like choking and strangulation, and magnets, as I've mentioned, was the latest one. And I think without that, there might have been some at least more serious injuries and possibly fatalities. I myself take great pride, and I think the whole committee should take great pride that we're doing something good to protect children. We've always have to look out for innovative new toys in the industry. A toy isn't a single thing, it's many different things. We have toy bicycles, toy kitchens, toy toasters. We have to look after every single thing. And of course, we need to look out for the safety of children. I think that standards will play a critical role in that in the future. Whatever format they are in, the forum of having experts discussing detailed technical issues and having a clear voting system, I think will be really useful and probably vital as we develop requirements for years and years to come. It's about having good technical skills, but also understanding people. Standards are about finding consensus. So you have to understand and appreciate other people's point of view. And especially as a convener, you sometimes have opposite points of view that you have to address and somehow bring to a single point. So the one thing I've learned is that you need to understand and have empathy and not just deal with the technical side of things, especially with something as emotional and important as the safety of children.